And join me today are four distinguished guests from around the world. They are Mr. Niu Aiming, Vice President of International Cooperation from U-Space Technology Group Limited, and also Mr. Bernard Foyn, Executive Director of the International Lunar Exploration Group, and also Mr. Xu Yansong, Director General of Department of Education and Training from the Asia Pacific Space Cooperation Organization, and also Olivia Contant, Executive Director and Academician of the International Academy of Astronautics. Welcome, gentlemen. And firstly, I want to know that what kind of space science payloads are you most excited to see in the near future?
I would be very excited to see some interesting payloads to be developed, which can be easily adapted to the complex terrain of the planet, which should be looks like a hedgehog and something like a ball with legs, which can be easily retractable.
Yeah, in terms of science payload, there is really work for all of you. Because first we can start about payload to observe the most beautiful planet, the Earth, to study it, to understand it, to monitor it. And then, of course, we have to go to the next place, that's the moon. And on the moon, we have payload to understand the formation of the moon, its history, the science of the moon.
I have two in my mind. One of them is the hard X-ray observatory that we're planning to launch for astrophysics and observatories purposes. And another one is the lunar missions on the South Pole, that we can find lunar volatiles in the future to pave the way for us to go far beyond the moon. So we understand that we are studying the possibility of deposit of water to better understand the formation of the moon and to also use that as a stepping stone for future missions.
Also developing payload for nanosatellites. The smaller, the fastest, and we can have very high resolution. So improving the resolution in these nanosatellites will be also something probably very, innovating, and you have a lot of work in front of you to try to fix all this.
So can you elaborate the importance of collaboration in the space exploration for humankind?
Well, we call it competition makes the pace faster, but cooperation makes us go further because we need to have collaborative efforts of all international communities to play together. We do have a successful cooperation on the Chang'e 4 and Chang'e 6, putting a number of instruments on board the lunar surface and also on orbiting missions. I think also there is also a share of samples that has returned from the Chang'e 6, which is far side of the moon. It's also a very exciting part. I think the key word is to share and to work together.
Good.
And I was very glad in April to see the launch of Chang'e 6, thanks for the CASC and the CNSA. And I was with a lot of team from France, from different countries, all participating and assisting to the launch, and all who prepared payloads on this mission. And it's beautiful to see, and I think this should be more in the news. There should be more, we should convey more this information, and the Academy has conveyed this information and will continue to do so for strengthening this international cooperation.
So what do you want to say to these young talents who will devote themselves to the space exploration programs in the future?
Engage more in the international collaboration projects, such as our payload competition. Thank you.
Yes, I would say, okay, you have to use space for knowledge, space for all, also to include all disciplines, all branches of society.
We're in an exciting moment. We are going to Mars, we're going to the moon. Follow them by providing your inspiration and your instruments.
Yeah, I think it's important first to understand that space is the world in collaboration right now. Don't hesitate to interact, exchange between each other, and reach the people that you want to reach.
Enjoy the competition and pursue your dreams. that maybe one day that some of your experiments will be sent into space. And we look forward to seeing these incredible achievements that will emerge from this international space science and scientific payload competition today. I wish all the participants will enjoy the competition today. Thank you so much.